Let's go on a shape hunt. Can you spot the shapes with me?
Circle. Round and smooth like a clock, a ball and a donut.
Square. 4 equal sides, like a pillow, a floor tile, and a gift box. Triangle. 3 corners like a sandwich slice, a sign, and a party flag. Rectangle. Long sides, short sides, like a book, a tablet, and a door. Oval. Stretched like a circle, like an egg, a mirror, and a fruit slice. Star. Bright and shiny, like a cookie, a badge, and a lantern. We found so many shapes: circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, and star.